Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss on various Salesforce certifications so that you can decide which one is right for you. Salesforce.com holds the top place when it comes to customer relationship management products. Salesforce is one of the fastest growing, most in-demand skill sets today. From software developers, to solutions architects, to project managers and marketing, and sales professionals, Salesforce skills pay off for a variety of roles. Getting a Salesforce certification is a great career move. So let's get started. Here you can see the list of topics that we are going to cover in this video. We will start with the basic information required, and then move on to the training resources and important topics which will help you to make your own discretion. Salesforce is used across a wide range of industries. Initially offered as sales automation software, Salesforce is now best known for its intelligent customer success platform, which provides cloud solutions for sales, communities, service, analytics, marketing, platform, apps, the Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. Salesforce, a cloud computing service as a software business, specializes in customer relationship management. Salesforce allows companies to use cloud tech to improve relationships among customers. Customer relationship management is an important part of businesses. Salesforce has been so intelligently designed to simplify business processes and smoothen out customer interactions. Salesforce offers several cloud-based products. One is Heroku, a platform as a service solution. Another is Force.com, a more specialized PaaS built specifically to integrate custom apps with Salesforce cloud offerings. Salesforce also offers Data.com, which is a cloud-based business directory, Desk.com that is a cloud-based help desk system for small businesses, and Pardot for business-to-business marketing automation, among other solutions. Now, let's understand why Salesforce certifications are important. There are plenty of reasons why you'd want yourself to be called Salesforce certified, some of them are listed below. First, it helps increase your knowledge about your specific domain such as sales, customers, relationships with them, all of this in great analytical detail. Second, it enhances your existing skills and increase your marketability in a tight IT job market, by allowing you to become a subject matter expert. Third, it offers flexibility in that you can get certified in just a few hours, days or months, and you can control your own career path. Fourth, you can get just one or a bunch of certifications. And the more certifications you add, the higher salary or hourly rate you can command. Fifth, Salesforce roles range from the technical, architects, developers, implementation experts to those related to marketing and sales. Each role varies, in terms of the required depth of understanding of Salesforce's platform. Sixth, jobs that request Salesforce skills pay on average more than $70,000 per year, with Salesforce developers commanding $100,000 on average. And lastly, a 2019 report from Indeed.com lists Salesforce developer as its number 10 best jobs of 2019, with an average salary of $112,031. Before going straight to the details, let's have an overview of Salesforce certification. Salesforce offers a variety of certifications targeted at a range of job functions, including, unlike in other programs, you won't find certification tiers or hierarchies, such as associate, professional or expert within the Salesforce certification portfolio. Instead, Salesforce certifications focus on various job roles, or tracks, common among Salesforce professionals. 1. Administrators. 2. App builders. 3. Developers. 4. Architects. 5. Specialists, implementation experts. 6. Marketers. 7. Pardot experts. 8. Consultants. Most tracks offer individual certifications that demonstrate expertise in a given domain. The Salesforce Architect track, however, is unique in that candidates can earn individual certifications or they can bundle together these earned certifications in pursuit of higher tier certification, such as the Salesforce Certified Application Architect, or the Salesforce Certified System Architect. Professionals who pursue both of these architect tracks can then achieve the pinnacle Salesforce Certified Technical Architect. We have Salesforce Architect certifications. Salesforce revamped its approach to architect certifications beginning in 2016, to more closely align them with current and emerging customer needs. Upon visiting the Salesforce Architect certifications page, you'll find 3 architect certifications with 6 specialization certifications, up from a total of 4 certifications in early 2016. Architect certifications includes the following. 1. Salesforce Certified Technical Architect. 2. Salesforce Certified Application Architect. 3. Salesforce Certified System Architect. Specializations includes the following. 1. Salesforce Certified Data Architecture and Management Designer. 2. Salesforce Certified Development Lifecycle and Deployment Designer. 3. Salesforce Certified Identity and Access Management Designer. 4. Salesforce Certified Integration Architecture Designer. 5. Salesforce Certified Mobile Solutions Architecture Designer. 6. Salesforce Certified Sharing and Visibility Designer. Architect certifications form a pyramid, with Salesforce Architect Specialization certifications creating the foundation. These are the designer credentials, as well as a few other closely aligned Salesforce certifications. Salesforce considers the designer credentials to be the building blocks for a career as a Salesforce architect, and are designed to validate specific areas of expertise. Salesforce Domain Architect certifications, the Certified Application Architect and the Certified System Architect, recognize the breadth of platform knowledge in multiple connected specializations. Domain Architect certifications are achieved when a candidate meets specific requirements, namely, a set of 4 specific specialization credentials. At the top of the pyramid is the Salesforce Certified Technical Architect, the creme de la creme of the Salesforce Architect portfolio. This pinnacle credential recognizes professionals who implement and design custom customer solutions on the Force.com platform. To obtain this designation, you must first earn both Domain Architect credentials. At that point, you're qualified to take the Salesforce Certified Technical Architect Certification Review Board exam. During the exam, you will be provided with a hypothetical scenario, with detailed customer requirements, and be asked to present and justify your recommended architecture solution. Candidates must complete each task in order and may not move on to the next item, until the prior task has been successfully completed. Salesforce Consultant Certifications. Salesforce offers 6 certifications designed specifically for Salesforce professionals, who are engaged in customer-facing roles and who design and implement solutions in their respective areas of expertise. Available Salesforce Consultant certifications include the following. 1. Salesforce Certified Sales Cloud Consultant. A person with this certification designs and implements Sales Cloud solutions, including application and interface design, and manages and designs analytics for tracking purposes. 2. Salesforce Certified Service Cloud Consultant. This certification recognizes individuals who design solutions for contact centers, as well as analytic solutions for metric tracking. 3. Salesforce Certified Pardot Consultant. This certification aims at professionals who review business requirements, and then design, implement and maintain Pardot solutions. 4. Salesforce Certified Marketing Cloud Consultant. This certification validates a person's ability to configure and implement Salesforce Marketing Cloud email application tools, as well as troubleshoot platform issues. 5. Salesforce Certified Community Cloud Consultant. A person with this credential implements Salesforce Communities applications, as well as helps customers configure and manage communities and troubleshoot platform issues. 6. Salesforce Certified Field Service Lightning Consultant. This certification recognizes professionals who design Salesforce solutions for customers and who administer and configure Salesforce applications on customer premises. 7. Salesforce Certified Einstein Analytics and Discovery Consultant. This certification recognizes a consultant's design and implementation expertise on the Salesforce Einstein Analytics and Discovery platform. 8. Salesforce Certified Nonprofit Cloud Consultant. Certified Nonprofit Cloud Consultant. Those who earn this cert have demonstrated skills and knowledge in designing and implementing Salesforce nonprofit cloud solutions. We'll be talking about Salesforce Administration, Developer, Pardot, Marketers and CPQ certifications. Salesforce offers several certifications aimed at administrators and developers, as well as those who work with Pardot and CPQ. 1. Salesforce Administrator Certifications. This category includes the Salesforce Certified Administrator and the Salesforce Certified Advanced Administrator. The Certified Administrator certification targets experienced Salesforce professionals responsible for building reports and for managing dashboards, workflows, security, data and users, and maintenance of Salesforce applications. 2. Salesforce Platform App Builder Certification. Salesforce offers a single certification for professionals who build apps, the Salesforce Certified Platform App Builder. 3. Salesforce Developer Certifications. 3 certifications are available. Salesforce Certified Platform Developer 1 and 2, and Salesforce Certified Commerce Cloud Digital Developer. The Developer 1 and 2 credentials target Salesforce professionals, working with the Force.com platform. 4. Salesforce Pardot Expert Certifications. Pardot credentials include the Certified Pardot Specialist and the Certified Pardot Consultant, described previously in the Consultant section. The Pardot Specialist certification is geared toward professionals who manage marketing workflows on the Pardot platform. 5. Salesforce Marketing Certifications. Salesforce offers 3 marketing credentials: the Certified Marketing Cloud Consultant, described more fully in the Consultant section, the Certified Marketing Cloud Social Specialist and the Certified Cloud Email Specialist. 6. Salesforce CPQ Specialist Certification. This certification recognizes professionals who implement Salesforce CPQ solutions, as well as design and build quoting flows to meet customer requirements, and troubleshoot platform issues, job opportunities and training resources for Salesforce. As the #1 CRM company in the world, Salesforce professionals are in high demand. CRM professionals will not only find demand for Salesforce skills across all industry sectors, but will also find a requirement for qualified and skilled Salesforce professionals in a variety of job roles. Job opportunities aren't limited to technical roles, either. Numerous Salesforce positions are available for project managers and program directors. It's safe to say that Salesforce is here to stay, and, regardless of your area of interest, you're sure to find opportunities in that niche. If you're looking for Salesforce training, you can visit our website,